welcome back to my channel. Today is the big day. It's December 1st and we are finally going to unbox the first little gift from the Madam Glam advent calendar. I know I said I changed my mind and I was going to unbox it on my Instagram story, but I did tell Madam Glam that I was going to do it on my YouTube channel. So I decided to just go ahead and make a YouTube video since that's what I told them, and I'm a woman of my word. And don't mind me, I'm in my robe. It's super cold in my house right now. So yeah, don't mind this, but it kind of does give the video a little Christmas vibe, right? My husband hates this friggin' robe. He thinks it looks so ugly. I'm like, whatever, I think it's cute. It really don't matter. It keeps me warm. But yeah, this is the Madam Glam advent calendar. If you guys haven't seen it, it's super cute. Love the holographic packaging and everything. And it has this little bow on the side where you open it up. So yeah, I'm actually really proud of myself that I did not open any of these at all. I didn't peek or anything. So yeah, I'm definitely proud of myself. So yeah, this is the advent calendar when you open it up. And today is December 1st. So we're going to be unboxing this number 1 here. I just love the packaging this year. This is actually my first year reviewing the Madam Glam advent calendar. But last year they said it was mainly polishes, but this year I guess there's supposed to be other things in here other than just polish. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we have for December 1st. And I'm just going to be doing like a quick little video like every day just to show you guys you know, what's in the box every day. It's not going to be a real long video. It's just going to be super fast. It's probably going to be like something like this, a little quick talk through. We're going to unbox, do a swatch, and yeah. So it looks like we have a full-sized polish here. Let me see if I could zoom you guys in. Here we go. Yeah, this is a full-size polish. This is a 15 milliliter gel polish. Looks like a nice peachy color. Oops. Looks like a nice peachy color. And this one is called Glow. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I'm all here for these full-size bottles. This is a really nice advent calendar. When I was watching other people's videos, I noticed that the bottles were like really tiny, like those small bottles. So yeah, this one seems to be giving us some big bottles in it too. All right, so I did go ahead and zoom you guys in. So hopefully you can see really good. And I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this color. I love Madam Glam gel polishes. They literally have like the best gel polishes out there. They're so like thick and pigmented. And this color, I absolutely love it so much. I really need to do like a set of peach nails. I always say that I'm going to, but I never really like end up doing that. I don't know why, but I've just never gotten around to it. But yeah, as you could see, with one coat, it's pretty much full coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this layer for 60 seconds. Okay, so this is what the swatch looks like after curing for 60 seconds. And now I'm gonna go in with the second coat. The good thing about Madam Glam gel polishes is that you don't need any more than 2 coats. Like 2 coats and you're done. The less work, the better. That's how I look at it. But this color, I love so much. This was a nice way to start off the advent calendar with a nice peachy pink shade. So yeah guys, this pretty much concludes the first day of the Madam Glam advent calendar. And a bonus to this color is that it actually glows in the dark, which is super cool. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this advent calendar, the link will be in the description box. My discount code won't work for this because I believe it's already on sale. But you guys can use my discount code anytime you shop with Madam Glam to save 30% off on their polishes. So I'll be sure to leave all those info in the description box. But yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always post fun nail tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.